Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am here to discuss this important question. This is the most important question as a board point of view. So, what is the question? So there are the three variables m, n and p. M plus n plus p is equal to 10 and mn plus np plus pm is equal to 27, and find the value of m square plus n square plus p square e. So there are the three variables and find the value of m square, n square, p square means the formula for a square. So apply the formula on this one is taking square on both side, or a formula is for three variables, for the sum of three variables and whole square, which is m plus n plus p whole square is equal to m square plus n square plus p square, and then plus 2mn 2np and 2pm. So this is the whole formula. M plus n plus p whole square is m square, n square and p square, and then plus 2 first and second term mn, and 2 np second and third term, and 2 pm first and third term. So this is the formula, and again repeat this formula. M plus n plus p whole square is equal to m square, n square, p square plus. So see, in these three values 2mn, 2np, 2pm, and 2 is a common value, so take the common 2, and now in bracket mn plus np plus pm. Okay, so now find the values of given data and find this one mn, this one m plus n plus p is equal to 10. Now put the value of this 10 and whole square, and here m square, n square, p square, this is a value for find. So these value remain same, and next to this mn plus np plus pm, and then value is 27. Now put 27. See student, in left side the square of 10 is 100, and m square plus n square and p square remain same, and 2 multiplied with this 27, and then final result is 54. So plus 54 when move from right to left, because we can find m square plus n square plus p square by separating this value. So plus 54 becomes a minus 54, 100 minus 54, this one. So 100 minus 54 is 46, and this is our final result. M square plus n square plus p square is equal to 46. So student, this is a very most important formula and very most important question as well. So this formula is used for any variables, any three variables in term of whole square. Okay, so students, I hope you understand this important question and this lecture. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.